Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshall James. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to present to you the all new TECNO Camon 16 Premier, which was announced yesterday. And I'm super excited that I have one with me to make a video for you guys to see. This is actually my first impression video and it's be very brief but detailed. The all new TECNO Camon 16 Premier comes with an 8GB of RAM and a 128GB of ROM. A Helio G90T processor with a 90Hz refreshing rate. Background TECNO, you have run this one, or I do this one, how do I like it? More of it is, it's 33 watts fast charging brick and the USB Type-C charging system. TECNO has actually brought it in. TECNO, kudos, chop knock, not too much. Meanwhile, Team TECNO, Big Brother is pleased and happy with your tasks. You've actually won your wager. Congratulations. But before we go deeper, if you're new to this channel, if you have not subscribed yet, please do go to the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Because my next video is coming up soon and you won't miss out, right? That's so true. So please, I beg, subscribe. Without much talking, let's roll. Try. TECNO and similarity in boxes. Shall you go manage them? How you go do now? Okay, on opening the box, you're ushered in with an envelope which is the silicone plastic case. A 12 plus 1 month warranty card. Next is the phone itself, covered in a plastic, having some of the specs on it. Let's keep that aside and go deeper. Next is your 33 watts fast charging brick, your earpiece, your own USB Type-C cable, which is actually the first on any TECNO device. And lastly in the box is your SIM ejector tool, which you can find at the side corner of the charging cable box. And that's absolutely all in the box. Let's check out this device thoroughly. The only TECNO Camon 16 Premier is made out of plastic at the back, which is very durable, but at the front is your 6.9-inch touchscreen display with a dual hole for the camera placement. On the right hand side of the phone is a volume rocker with a power button, which also serves as the fingerprint scanner. Moving to the left hand side of the phone is a dual nano SIM tray with a slot for your expandable SD card. Beneath the phone is your headphone jack, your speaker grills, and your USB Type-C charging port. At the back is your camera setup, which appears very inviting. This device weighs much and is not comfortable for one-hand operation. I totally love the whole vibe I'm getting from this device. Nice hunting, TECNO.
Big Brother actually love your device and is pleased with your work.
Turning on the device, the speed from the 90Hz refreshing rate is next to none. Its Helio G90T CPU combo with 8GB of RAM makes the running of the device super fast and spectacular. So playing of games and other multitasking will come up absolutely amazing and very well. The camera department of this phone did great as well, as it offers a 48 megapixel front facing camera and a 64 megapixel ultra quad rate camera with a quad flash as well. Let's take some footage and see how it looks like. Picture from this device, it's crystal clear and I love it. The only light here was the TV light and it came out this amazing. I can't wait to explore this camera more. More about the camera will be discussed or said in my full review about this device. The device comes with a 4500 mAh battery capacity, which I don't really like about it, but with its fast charging brick, I think you can manage. The device goes for 115,800 naira in Nigerian currency. Okay guys, thanks for watching to the end of this video. My next video about the full review and the comparison of this device will be coming up very soon, so stay alerted. Share your thoughts and feelings in the comment section below. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this will encourage me a lot. I love you and see you in my next one. Bye and bye.